First of all, both of you are looking absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
My
Thank you.
question is for you, Pariniti. Now, so many girls are looking up to you, and there are so many women out there who are conscious of themselves and they are unable to express of themselves because they are, worried about how they're going to look. So, what's your message to the women who want to, do something but they are conscious of their, physical image?
Actually, I've been asked this question so much in the last 1.5 years because, and not only like people like you, but like people, women who are pregnant or they're dealing with post-pregnancy weight or teenagers who are dealing with obesity. All around the world, people, they come up to me and, tell me to tell them my story, and I always tell them this, that I literally am a fat to fit story. I literally am in the most cliched sense, and I've really struggled with my weight all my life. All these guys, they call themselves chubby. I was never chubby. I was really, really big, and I was obese and unhealthy. And I really took it upon myself, and I'm so glad that some kind of pressure of Bollywood was there for me to really bring myself onto the right path. The amount of stamina, the amount of energy that I have today, I sleep so well, I eat so well. I mean, the fact that I could do this song for 2 days with hardly any food in me, it was because I was really fit. And it's so important for people like this to understand that they just need to be their fittest self. It doesn't matter what size they are. I was big, but I was unfit. I didn't care about my body shape as much as what it was making me feel. So they really need to achieve their fittest self at whatever size they are. Like you see these hip hop dancers in New York, they're so big, but they're so flexible and agile, and they're so fit. So they just need to go and they just need to look at my pictures, I guess. Just put them on the wall and just be like, if she can do it, we can do it. Yeah, people actually just think that we starve ourselves and we become thin, but literally all of us, like me, Vidi, or even, Sid, Ranveer, everybody, the boys and the girls now, Alia, Shraddha, like we take care of fitness more than that. And when you take care of your fitness, your body is going to show results. Like I got a lot of this that, oh, you just stopped eating and of course anybody is going to become thin out of starvation, but it took me a year and a half to reach here. The kind of person I am, I'm really not as filmy as all these guys are. I come from a very different discipline and I've lived my life in a very different way. So I myself needed that, even that emotional break, a little bit. I know it sounds stupid because I'm so new that I needed a break, but I really did. I needed to just kind of settle down
You felt
mentally.
like burnt out, kind of?
Yeah,
With the
I
amount,
don't
like,
know. Yeah,
work.
strangely I did because it's such a different world for me. I come from the world of banking and academics, and for me to just be in front of cameras all the time and, have pressure and just answer, like even answer your questions. I was always happy, but inside I was always like, I needed to just sort some things out. Which I feel now, like now the kind of dedication and now the kind of concentration I have on my work is only because of this break. And of course, I wanted to work on my body. Yeah, I was like 27 years old. I couldn't wear a pair of shorts. So I really wanted to wear better clothes and, not worry about anything. So yeah, this 1 year break was really amazing. Like it's the best thing that has happened to me. And now, like when I work, it's just so beautiful. Like
You
I
can wear
love it.
shorts now.
I can wear shorts. I can wear
Yeah,
sleeveless.
I love wearing shorts.